Good morning, students. Again, welcome to my class. This is the second video lecture of chapter number 12, that is area related to circle. In the first video, we have discussed about the formulas which we are going to use in this chapter, and the formulas which are we have discussed in the first video are area of circle, circumference of circle. Then we have discussed about length of arc of circle, area of sector, and area of segment. Okay, students, let's start solving exercise number 12.1. Okay, if you observe exercise 12.1, the first question is the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has a circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. In the question, it is very clear that you have given two circles whose radius are given 9 centimeter and 9 centimeter, and you have to find a circle whose circumference is equal to the circumference of the two triangles whose radiuses are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. So let's look the solution of this one. Okay, students, exercise number 12.1, question number 1. So let C be the circumference of the circle so formed and let C1 and C2 be the circumferences of circles whose radius are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Okay, from the question you can write, from the question we have C equals to, capital C equals to C1 plus C2. Now the formula to find the circumference is 2 pi r. So let capital R be the radius of the bigger circle. Therefore, it can be written as 2 pi capital R, and let R1 and R2 be the radius of the smaller circle. So it can be written as 2 pi R1 plus 2 pi R2. It is very clear. In right hand side, this 2 pi is common. If we take this 2 pi outside, inside there will be R1 plus R2. This 2 pi is cancelled by this 2 pi. Therefore, the radius is nothing but it is R1 plus R2. Okay. Therefore, the radius of the circle so formed will be sum of radius of the previous two circles. Therefore, the radius of the previous two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Therefore, 19 centimeter plus 9 centimeter equals to how much? 28 centimeter. Therefore, the circle so formed, whose circumference is equals to C1, sum of the circumference of the previous circle, uh, radius is equals to 28 centimeter. Hope this solution is clear to everyone. Now, moving to the next question. Moving to the next question. Question number 2. If you observe the question number 2, the radius of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. It is quite similar to the first question. In the first question, the radius of two circles are given. In here also, the radius of two circles are given. And here, but here it is given that find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. In the previous one, it is given that you have to find the radius of a circle whose circumference is equal to the sum of the circumference of the previous two circles. Here, it is given that find the radius of a circle whose area is equal to the sum of the areas of the previous two circles. Okay, it is quite similar to that one. Let's solve it. If you solve this one, in this case, the radius are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So let capital A, A1 and A2 be the areas of given circles. So from the question we have area of the bigger circle equals to sum of the areas of smaller circle A1 plus A2, and the formula to find area of a circle is pi r square. Pi capital R square equals to pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. So this can be written as pi capital R square equals to, if we take this pi outside, inside there will be r1 square plus r2 square, right? This pi will be cancelled out. Therefore, r square is nothing but it is small r1 square plus small r2 square. Here r1 and r2 are 6 and 8. Therefore, it is 6 square plus 8 square. Therefore, r square is nothing but it is 6 6 is 36 plus 8 8 is 64. Therefore, r is nothing but it is square root of 100, and therefore r is nothing but it is 10 centimeter. Therefore, the radius of that circle is 10 centimeter. Hope it is clear to everyone. Now, moving to the next question. Okay. Now, moving to the next question, that is question number 3. If you observe this question, you have given a figure. You have given an archery target. You have given an archery target with 5 scoring regions from the center towards the gold, red, blue, black, and white. And the diameter of the region representing the gold. That means the diameter of the gold means the diameter of this inner circle. Okay, is 21 centimeter. And after that, the thickness of each portion will be 10.5. Find the area of 5 scoring region. Okay. Hope this question is clear to everyone. See, if you solve this one, first of all, you have to find the area of gold. Here, if you find area of gold, the radius will be what here? 21 by 2. It is very simple. The area of gold equals to what? Area of this circle, inside circle, inner circle. Therefore, the area of the inner circle is nothing but it is what? Pi r square, where r is 21 by 2. That means 10.5. Let's see the solution. See, question number 3. First of all, we are going to find area of gold. In case of area of gold, we are going to use formula pi r square. Here the value of pi is 22 by 7 and the radius is nothing but it is 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. And if you solve this one, you will get, just simplify it, 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21, 2 1 is 2, 2 11 is, then it is equals to 11 into 3 into 21 upon 2 centimeter square. And if you solve this one, you will get 346.5 centimeters square. Okay, this is the area of the gold part. Now moving to the next part, that is second part, area of red. If we are talking about area of red, it is very clear from the figure. If we, there are two concentric circles. One is the circle whose radius is how much here? The radius of the inner one is what? 10.5. And after that, the thickness will be what? 10.5. That means the radius of the outer circle will be what? 21. And the radius of the inner circle will be what? 10.5. Therefore, we can apply the formula pi capital R square minus small r square. In this case, the value will be 22 by 7 in the bracket. Capital R square is 21 square and the small r square is 10.5 whole square. Just simplify this one. If you simplify this one, you will get area of red, and that is equals to how much? I think it will be 1039.5 centimeters square. Just calculate it. Find the square root of 21, that is 441, and the square root of 10.5. Then subtract the square of 10.5 from 441, then multiply it by 22 and divide it by 7. You will get 1039.5 centimeters square. Now third, we have to find the area of blue. Therefore, the area of blue, now we are going to use the same formula which we have used in the second one. The area of blue is nothing but it is pi, again capital R square minus small r square, but here the capital R will be what? Here the capital R will be 21 plus 10.5. 21 plus 10.5 is how much? 31.5. It is 31.5 whole square minus 21 square. And if you simplify this one, you will get the area of the blue. And if you simplify this one, you will get 1732.5 centimeters square. Now, next part, area of black, and next one, that is the fourth one, area of black. Equals to how much again? Pi capital R square minus small r square, 22 by 7 into, now 31.5 plus 10.5. 31.5 plus 10.5 equals to how much? I think it will be 42. 42 square minus 31.5 whole square. And if you simplify this one, you will get the area of black. It will be 2425.5 centimeter square. Similarly, area of white also. Area of white equals to again pi capital R square minus small r square, 22 by 7. Now 42 plus 10.5, that is 52.5 whole square minus 42 square. So this can be written as 3118.5 centimeter square. Okay, therefore the area of First part, area of gold is nothing but it is 346.5. Area of red is 1039.5. Area of blue is 1732.5 whole square. Area of black is 2425.5 whole square. And area of white is 3118.5 square. Hope it is clear to everyone. Now moving to the next question. Okay, now moving to the next question, that is question number 4. Very important question. See, the wheels of the car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at the speed of 66 km per hour? Okay. Here the diameter of the wheel is 80 centimeter. Therefore, the radius of the wheel is how much? 40 centimeter. Let's see the solution here. Let's see the solution here. Question number 4. Here the diameter is we are talking about diameter of wheel. You can write diameter of wheel is given by 80 centimeter. So this implies the radius will be 80 by 2, that is 40 centimeter. Now distance covered by a wheel in one revolution. Now in one revolution, how much distance covered by wheel? Distance covered by wheel in one revolution is 2 pi r. Distance covered by wheel in one revolution is equals to 2 pi r, and it is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 40, and it is equals to 1760 upon 7 centimeter. Now distance covered by wheel in 1 hour, the speed is given, and it is distance covered by wheel in one hour. Distance covered by wheel in 1 hour, that is given 66 kilometer per hour, that is 66 kilometer, and if you convert this into meter, it will be 3 times 0 meter, and if you convert this into centimeter, it is equals to 6630, after that again 20 centimeter, right? Now we have to find the number of revolution. No, the car we have to find the number of revolution in 10 minutes. This is the distance in 1 hour. Therefore distance covered by wheel in 10 minutes, right? Therefore next is distance covered by wheel in 10 minutes. 10 minutes में कितना कवर करेगा ये? 6 6 1 2 3 4 5 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 no 5 0 only, right? 1 2 3 4 5 upon 60 into 10, and this can be equals to 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 0 centimeter. Therefore number of revolutions equals to total distance upon distance covered in one revolution. Distance covered in one revolution. The total distance is how much here? Total distance is 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 0 divided by distance covered in one revolution is 1760 upon 7, and if you simplify this one, we will get the number of revolution as 4375. Hope it is clear to everyone. Many a time it is asking the examination for 2 marks or 3 marks. Okay, now moving to the last question. Now moving to the last question. Very simple. Tick the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and the area of a circle are numerically equal, then radius of the circle is what? We can solve it. Here it is given that the perimeter and area are equal. Perimeter and area are equal. See question number 5. Perimeter of a circle is, here it is given that perimeter is equals to area, and the perimeter of a circle is given by 2 pi r, and the area is given by pi r square. This pi is cancelled by this pi, this r is cancelled by this r, 1 r is remaining here. Therefore this is equals to 2 equals to r. Therefore radius equals to 2 unit. Okay, this is all for exercise number 12.1, and this is all for this class. We will meet in the next class with the solution of exercise 12.2. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you all.